Hi legends, we have just broken out of a key resistance level that I've highlighted during many of my live streams. Now, what I would like to see is for that level to hold. We have also hit a critical 1-to-1 ratio from a C wave perspective to maybe get more momentum here to the downside. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin, and I can show you which level needs to hold for bullish momentum to continue to the upside, and what are some of the key resistance levels for potential short opportunities to the downside. Remember, the exchange that I love to use at the moment is Bluffin, link down in the description. Here you will see the first link under exchanges Bluffin with the largest sign up bonus, no KYC required. Once you select this link, you will land on the Bluffin exchange page where you simply go and click on sign up. Right, and then with a simple email or phone number and a password, you can get ready to trade in a couple of minutes. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin. I also see a couple of alts showing strength, and the total market cap 3 has bounced at a critical support level, which could give us a little bit of upwards momentum for some of our favorite altcoins. Let's dive right in. Right, legends, looking at the price of Bitcoin over here, as per my live stream yesterday, you can see, okay, that we taking a fib extension from the low to the high over here. You can see exactly where we got rejected is at the 1-to-1 ratio, which is also considered a C wave target. But we also have to acknowledge that we have broken out with high green volume outside of this resistance zone together with the daily level. Okay, so we're currently trading above these highs. So what you want to see here is a resistance to support flip where you broke through resistance with a high time frame candle, body close outside, very important. And now what you want to see is this area needs to hold for support for continuation here to the upside. The next area of resistance is here by the 1.236, which is also considered a C wave target, and you can see this 1.236 has perfect confluence with this resistance box over here as well, where you can see that price found support, it broke down, okay, it broke back up, found support, found support, found support, 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 it broke down, found resistance. So quite a key level from a profit taking area if you are attempting longs here. So for bullish momentum to continue here to the upside, legends, we are not out the woods just as yet, but we can still make money from these small little movements to the up and to the downside. One of the key levels that needs to hold over here is we just got rejected by the 1-to-1 ratio. I would like to see this box hold from a supporting perspective for us to have a chance to go to higher levels and go and tap the 1.236 at $60,500. From a bearish perspective, legends, what I'm looking at is if we do lose, okay, this resistance that we've now flipped into support, if we lose this with high red volume kicking in, then there's a great possibility that we could even come and claim this low at $54,200 and this low, yeah, round about $53,400, okay, because we have to acknowledge that this can be an A, B, C. You've tapped the 1-to-1 ratio, which is a C wave target, and now we're going to start finding momentum here to the downside. So if we lose the support with high red volume, we could retest this area as resistance for continuation here to the downside. So quite an important level here. Do we long? Okay, we want to find support, proof of support, bullish CVD, RSIs, MACDs, whichever indicator you use to give you proof of support for potential long here to the upside. Or do we short, wait for the retracement, and then find momentum here to the downside? Also, legends, if you'd like to know the detailed levels and how I've analyzed the internal structures on the smaller time frames to get into potential trades here to the up and to the downside, go check out our Legends Discord community. This morning I highlighted an altcoin that I'm currently watching for potential trade here to the upside. Also, I did live analysis inside our premium section over here. I recorded the video for those of the legends that can't watch during the live recording, where I go into detail on the 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute time frame, how I've analyzed the situation over here and where we could possibly expect those long entries to the upside, what to look out for, and those short entries to the downside. If you'd like more detailed analysis, first link down in the description to come and join our Legends trading community. So basically, these are the levels that I'm currently watching here on the price of Bitcoin. Right, legends, let's go quickly have a look at a couple of altcoins. I'm still keeping an eye here on DOT, okay? Just ignore this mess that I wrote over here, okay? Still grinding here against this trend trend here, okay, from a long diagonal downsloping trend line perspective. I want to see how we're going to react, and if we do break through a potential long trading setup that I've discussed with our Legends community this morning. Okay, so I would like to see high time frame candles close above this line, and then we can analyze the situation. Do we take the trade here to the upside? Also having a look here at XTZ, right? Currently nibbling here at the trend line for potential long here to the upside. Also, I've been looking at AVAX over here. And what I also wanted to point out, Legends, let me just take the scribble here out the way. This is from our Legends community update that I did this morning, is to say that I do like, okay, when we were trading over here, when total 3 was over here, I mentioned during many of my live streams, I don't like that we are getting a bounce in the middle of nowhere. I want to see us hit key support areas to confirm potential movement back to the upside. And now we have hit the 50% FIB level in confluence with this consolidation area over here, which could give us a small little relief rally here to the upside, perhaps testing this downsloping trend once again. But I mean, Legends, this move over here could definitely give the alts a little bit of a relief rally here to the upside, and then we'll assess the situation when we get here. Do we break through, or do we reject and then come back down here to the 0.618? So this could definitely still be a little bit of bullish momentum, and then again bearish momentum back to the downside. And this is why I'm keeping my eye on a couple of alts, you know, expecting a little bit of a bounce here from total 3 to the upside. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the update. Smash up the like, hit subscribe for future notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.